Dr. Kim Hammond from the Falls Road Animal Hospital is here to answer your pet questions with Cocoa Puff. Look at this cute little
It's a
Cocker
cute
Spaniel.
little chocolate Cocker Spaniel. It's just fantastic. By the way, good for the Orioles. You know, those darn Orioles, they're great guys.
Great campaign, isn't it?
Yeah, thanks for helping out the pets. They're good guys. You know, they're members of the community.
Kudos to them.
Kudos to them.
And they love their dogs.
They do love their dogs. Adam Jones loves his dog.
Yes, he does.
He does.
Got a sweet dog.
He does. You know, this is a fun breed, and the one thing interesting about these dogs, other than they're just the coolest little things to hold, they get ear infections because of these little floppy ears. If you get a Cocker Spaniel or any Spaniel, you're always going to be looking for those ears. If you jump on it early, you can prevent the problem.
Keep them clean?
Keep them clean.
Yep.
Talk to your vet about a way to do it. Don't necessarily go to the pharmacy or the pet store and just buy anything that says ear clean, because it doesn't always work.
Make sure it's the right stuff. Okay.
Okay.
First question, my 10-year-old 11-pound Bichon snores like a banshee. She also started to get up once or twice a night to be let outside to urinate. This is all new behavior. Could something be wrong?
Okay, first of all, snoring like a banshee. You know, we talked about this earlier. What is a banshee? You don't know, banshee is an Irish fairy.
Yeah, but I didn't know
they used to wail
they
when people died. Yeah, no, wail really loud. At any rate, you know, the snoring is probably related to something that's going on certainly in the air passages, and something that you probably could identify really easily. If you go to your veterinarian, they can look in the mouth or look in those little nares areas and see why that's happening. The urinating at night, you know, you should get a veterinarian to check that out. It could be a urinary problem, something like that. Could be stones or kidney disease.
All right, so get it checked out.
Yeah,
we have a question from Rose. She writes, my cat is losing hair on her lower belly. Is this something to worry about? She's about 6 years old and was adopted from the shelter.
The answer is yes and no. Yes, you should worry about it, but not worry a lot. But you, again, see your veterinarian. Cats are licking areas that they can reach, and the belly is the first place that they lick, and they take the hair off when they lick. So we want to find out why that licking is occurring. There are a lot of different reasons for why it's occurring. Once you figure it out, you stop it. But that's a sign. Now, if you don't stop it, it's going to go over the whole body. You can have a nude cat. Yeah, real nasty.
It happens.
It does.
All right, my 4-year-old cat has been sneezing a lot lately. Could she be allergic to the pollen outside too, or is it something else?
Oh my God, it's been like a tsunami.
It has. It's
pollen.
been really bad.
Oh my gosh.
So cats get that too?
Cats get that too, and you know, there are a lot of different reasons for sneezing, but including smoking. It's a real common cause. But if it's something that's just occurring right now, that's something I would pay attention to. If you're seeing a discharge, if you're seeing kind of a mucousy discharge, or a wet discharge, pick up the phone and call your veterinarian. Otherwise, I wouldn't worry about it unless it's happening all the time.
Okay. Are there treatments for allergies that are pretty simple?
For cats?
Yeah.
Marginal treatments, yeah. Sometimes, if it's really bad, sometimes we'll give them a steroid. It's tough to treat a cat. Cats are a little different than other animals.
They are.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for being
My
here.
pleasure.
Thanks, Cocoa Puff.
Okay.
Coming up.